Come on, stay, baby. Happy holidays, everybody. Hope you're all doing well. So as you saw from the beginning of the video, this is a review for my mess kit. Okay, so it's about 45 degrees out, so I was able to bust on the flannel. So let's go over this kit. In here, like I stated earlier, I got my Canteen. I don't know the brand of the Canteen, to be honest with you. It was a Christmas gift for my sister-in-law. It's the 304 stainless steel. Gets the job done. The only thing I don't like is the cap, but it's all right. I have to change the seal on it all the time. But gets the job done. Next thing I got here is this titanium Boundless Voyage Canteen Cup, and it has a bail handle. That's what I really like about this. I've never seen one of these before with a bail handle. I love anything with a bail handle. You can hang it over a fire. So this thing's pretty cool. And then it comes with this stove. Now you can burn wood out of this, or you can burn an alcohol stove. I don't know if you could put an you probably put an but anything in there under here that burns, and it will burn, as you can see here. I primarily use it for alcohol windscreen. As you can see, it's a pretty windy day. It's getting pretty late. So we're about to test this Boundless Voyage Canteen and stove combo with a Boundless Voyage Titanium alcohol stove. So I keep that in here, and I got the Tokes titanium windscreen. Don't need that for this, so it's kind of a redundant piece, but I always keep my Trangia in there, so if I can run 2 cups or something. This is the Boundless Voyage titanium stove. So as you can see, the inside, it has the graduated marks right there for 1 flavor ounce, 2 flavor ounces, and then like about 2 1/4 for you metric people, 30 milliliter, 60 milliliter. It's made by Boundless Voyage, same company that makes the Canteen Cup set. So I got this and this for joining AliExpress. I just wanted to bring that up. I got this kit. I think it's $49 on Amazon, and I got it for $30. With this, it came out to $34.99. $34.99 for this kit for a holiday bonus. So check it out. I don't know if it's still available or not for joining AliExpress. It took a while. I got this around the Black Friday. I doubt the sale's still going on, but they always have sales for new people who join in. So I joined in under a new account. I got this, and like I said, that Canteen Cup set for very cheap. Okay, one quick note with this. Now, I do have the Evernew Titanium, and one thing I noticed when I was testing this doesn't prime as fast, and it takes a very long time for this to prime, especially in the temps right now. It's like a very warm 42 degrees out. This took a very long time to prime as opposed to the Trangia or the Evernew. So what I did was inside each of these holes here, each one of these vent holes, I put some cotton and some string, cotton string, and a little bit of like nylon paracord interior string in there, so it would soak up and prime much faster. So we're about to see how well this primes. Without it, I will tell you right now, there's a bunch of tests on YouTube. Check out Paleo Hiker MD. He's done tests with this. You can see he's just one prime example. A lot of people who've taken this thing straight out of the box will tell you it primes like crap. Nowhere near. It may look like an Evernew Titanium, but it does not operate like the Evernew Titanium. So be advised before you buy this. This is not up to caliber, but you can modify that for cheap. For as cheap as this thing is, it's worth a quick modification of a sewing needle and a couple cotton balls and stuff them in here. All right, so let's see how it does, and if it can bring about 2 cups of water to a boil. just so you all know, it did rain this morning, so even though the leaves are all moist, still playing it safe. That was a happy accident. Okay. Oh, just to show you guys a quick upgrade, if you follow the channel, I went ahead and upgraded that sheath for my SE6. Not really trying to show it off, but kinda. Got the sharpening stone in here, and then I got my fire steel right here. Yeah, put that right there. With a striker, I got one of these cheap little strikers, but it does have measurement ruler on it. Kilometers for maps, for navigation. So there we go. Oh, did it go? Started to. Come on, stay, baby. Wind's blowing east. All right. Yep. Just felt that breeze coming this way. Going from the east. Still hasn't primed. Oh, this thing does have graduated marks too. Oh. Now I forgot to mention, it does come with this titanium lid here. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on here for our tea. Lift that bell handle up. I don't know, ladies and gentlemen. It's been about a good solid minute and it still hasn't primed. All right, so she's fully primed. She's been running for about 3 minutes, according to my watch here. Once primed, because I started a new timer once it was fully primed. And it's going pretty well. The Trangia burns a lot more efficiently in that chamber. So you got a lot of heat escape right here. And I didn't have that issue with the Trangia. I put the same amount in there. Just to give you an idea how windy it is. And that wind is still blowing eastward. Right in my face. Going on about 8 minutes. No boil yet. Getting there though, we got bubbles. So I'm assuming very soon we're about to have a boil. You can see that heavy gust. No problem. This thing does an outstanding job blocking the wind. It's starting to flame out. As you can see, the exterior burners are starting to die out. Interior burners are getting weak. Let's see how it did. Yeah, it's about going there. It's fighting to stay alive. Oh, it almost did it, guys and gals. It almost did it. What a shame. But I do gotta say, it's been running for an impressive 11.5 minutes. Actually 11 minutes and 39 seconds right now. Still going. It's run much longer than my Evernew Titanium. But in 8 minutes, my Evernew's never had a problem getting anything boiled. I hear what seems to be a roll. Oh my gosh, we're right there. We're right there. Can you do it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, folks. Good night. We're so close. We're so close. Come on. We're so close. I mean, it's not producing much heat, if any, right now. No. It's not much heat at all. It ain't doing nothing. So I'm gonna call it. I don't think it's not gonna get it. This thing's basically out. But though unsuccessful, it's ran for 13 something minutes. So didn't get it to a boil. 2 flavor ounces. The next time we'll try 2.5 ounces. Maybe that will do it. Maybe that will keep it running long. I don't know. But it didn't get done this time. And that crazy wind is not helping the situation at all. Look at that. Don't phase that sucker at all. Look at that. That tree's about to fall right there. It's about to fall. As you can see, quite a few already have. That wind is no joke. Good night. It's still burning. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I mean, this is definitely hot enough for coffee, but not quite boiled. It's still going with a week old flame. I don't know how it's still going. I would be so impressed if this thing just on its last breath, which is right now, somehow managed to shoot a flame up and get this 600 milliliters boiled. That's about out. That's almost out to 0. We'll watch it die. Still has flame. Very little. All right, it's out. It's basically running out there. Running on fumes. And she's out. You just heard her die. All right. Not quite to a boil, but almost there. Not too shabby. Hot enough for coffee. So unfortunately, folks, we didn't get it to a boil, but I'll run this test again with the Trangia and the Evernew Titanium. But that's it. The Boundless Voyage Canteen Cup. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button, and that little bell notification so you can be updated every time we all upload a new video. So God bless you all. Happy New Year, happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and take care.